Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our new lecture. You can see on our screen that is highest common factor. ठीक है ना, आज हम अपना नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. दिस इज़ न्यू फॉर यू, है ना. ये बिल्कुल आपके लिए न्यू टॉपिक है. इससे पहले आपने नहीं किया. बट इफ़ यू रीड द वर्ड हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, अगर आप इसको रीड करते हो सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फैक्टर. फैक्टर का मीनिंग आपको पता है, वी हैव डन दिस, है ना. हाउ कैन वी मेक द फैक्टर ऑफ डिफरेंट नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई हैव अ फैक्टर, if I want to know the factor of any number, that is if I want to know the factor of 12, say na, if I want to say ask you make the factor of 12, so how can you make it. If I want to ask make the factors of 12, so how can you make it. It means that you will find out 12 comes in which numbers, है ना. 12 comes in which numbers table. See ना, कौन कौन से टेबल में 12 आता है. So it comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Is that clear? If I want to ask you find the factors of 18, if I want to ask find the factors of 18, so you will find out 18 comes in which tables. So it comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Is that clear? Now you are familiar about the term factor. Now if I want to ask you what do you understand by common, है ना. अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ कि दोनों में कॉमन क्या है, सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड इट. अगर हम इन दोनों में कॉमन निकालते हैं, सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड इट. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. इफ़ आई आस्क यू फाइंड आउट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ in 12 and 18 which are similar in both 12 and 18. 1 is similar, is that clear. 2 are similar, 3 are similar and 6 are similar. So we say that common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors, है ना. Do you understand it? कि कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होते हैं. विच आर सिमिलर इन बोथ नंबर, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉमन फैक्टर. इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू विच वन इज़ द हाइएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, सबसे बड़ा कॉमन फैक्टर कौन सा है. सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड इट. द हाइएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर विल बी 6. इज दैट क्लियर. दिस इज द मैथड इन विच you can find out the common highest common factor of 12 and 18 by factorization method, but we can find it with the help of prime factorization method. This is your first method. With the help of you can find out highest common factor, and we can write down in short form. How can we write down it in short form? We can short form H dot C dot F. This is called हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. इज दैट क्लियर. इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर कौन सा है. 6 है ना. तो वी से दैट 6 आर हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. if you want to know the another method, the second method which you will do in your exercise book, exercise copy, that is prime factorization method. See, this is called division method. हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड या डिवीजन मेथड के थ्रू हम हाईएस्ट कॉमन फाइंड कर सकते हैं. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट. सपोज दैट इफ आई वांट टू नो द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 12 and 18. So how can I find it? This is your second method which you will apply in your exercise copy. Is that clear? जो फर्स्ट मेथड मैंने आपको बताया है वो सिर्फ समझाने के लिए बताया कि हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट आउट बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. हम फैक्टर्स बनाकर कैसे हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, हाउ कैन वी विल फाइंड highest common factor of 12 and 18. ठीक है, for factorization method what we will do, we will make horizontal and vertical line like this. ये हम कर चुके हैं ना प्राइम फैक्टर्स के लिए. प्राइम फैक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए we will apply, we have done two method, that is factor tree method and division method. So we will apply over here division method. With the help of division method, we will find out the highest common factor of the given number. So how can you find it? 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 time 12. 2 3 time 6. 3 1 time 3. सही है, ये हम कर चुके हैं, है ना. हमने क्या था ना, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड in which we will apply two method. Do you remember that? For one is factor tree method and the another is division method. So we will apply over here division method. Is that clear? Now what will be the next step? First we find the prime factors of 12 and then we find the prime factors of 18. 2 9 time, 3 3 time, 3 1 time. See na, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. हम यहाँ times लिखते हैं. Is that clear? Now if we make the factors of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. And now if we make the factors of 18, that will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. अब हम क्या करेंगे? For finding the common factor of these numbers, what we will do? We will make a loop. How can we make it? हम इसके लूप बनाएंगे विच आर कॉमन. अब जैसे देखो दोनों में 2 कॉमन है, सो वी विल मेक अ लूप ऑफ 2. सही, जो दोनों में कॉमन होगा उसका हम लूप बना देंगे. इसी तरीके से 3 दोनों में कॉमन है ना. अब ये 2 का और सिमिलर कोई और 2 इसमें मौजूद नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट इन 18, इन द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18. और 3 भी जो है वो 12 में मौजूद नहीं है. सो वी विल मेक द कॉमन फैक्टर्स. सी, so we write down common factor. The short form of common factor is CF. So we can write down either the complete spelling or the short form, that is CF. So what will be the common factor? 2 and 3. हमने जो loop बनाया है इसमें 2 2 है ना. There are 2 2s. So we write down, when we make a loop, so we write down 1 time. See, similarly there are 2 3s. So we write down it once time. तो ये common factor हो गया. So what is the highest common factor? We will multiply the common factor, that is 6. Is that clear? Now I give you another example so that you can understand it properly. Okay? For another example, suppose that if I want to if you want to find the highest common factor of, find the highest common factor of 36 and 45. So how can you find it? Is that clear? So what we will do? We will do it by prime factorization method. Is that clear? With the help of division method, we will apply over here prime factorization method and we will apply here division method. So what we will do? First we make the prime factor of 36. ठीक है, 2 1s are 2, यहाँ पर 1 कैरी दिया, 2 8s are 16. It means that 18 times, when we multiply 2 multiply by 18, then it will be equal to 36. Now when 18 comes in the table of 2, it comes 9 times. So we write down over here 9. Now 9 doesn't come in the table of 2. So we will take another table, but always remember that we take here prime numbers. We cannot take composite number. 3 3s are 9. See, 3 की table में 3 time आता है. Now 3 1s are 3. Now we make the factor of 36. It will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we will make the factors of 45. ठीक है. Now 45 does not come in the table of 2. Here we apply rule of divisibility. Do you remember that? Rule of divisibility. So we will apply over here. Now it comes 5. 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by the table of 3. So we take table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 carry दिया, 3 5s are 15. It means 3 multiplied by 15. 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45. Is that clear? Now 3 5s are 15. 15 कब आते हैं 3 के टेबल में? 5 times. So we write down over here 5. 5 1s are 5. Now we write down the factors of 45. That is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now what will be the next step? We will make the loop of these number. We will make the loop of common factors. जो similar हैं दोनों में, we will make the loops. So what we will do? Now 3 comes in both. दोनों में 3 आ रहा है, so we make a loop. सही है? Is that clear? और कोई नंबर दोनों में सिमिलर नहीं है. हाँ, एक और 3 भी कॉमन आ रहा है. So what we will do? We will make the another loop. Is that clear? So we can write down just like this ना. अगर इसको हम इस तरह करें, if we do it neat and clean, so how can you do this? Two multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now we will make loop. हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा डर्टी मेसी हो गया था ना. अब देखो 3 का इस 3 के साथ हमने लूप बना लिया. इज़ दैट क्लियर? और इस 3 का हमने इस 3 के साथ लूप बना लिया. नाउ व्हाट आर द कॉमन फैक्टर? जो लूप में जो होते हैं 2 3s है, तो हम इसको 1 टाइम लिखेंगे. We will write down 1 time. If there are 2 3s, so we write down it 1 time. It means that the number which is written in the loop is written 1 time. सही है? ये वाला 3 हमने लिख लिया. Now we write down this loop 3. Now what will be the highest common factor? It will be 9. Now if I want to represent this in Venn diagram, so how can we write down it? Do you understand what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is the way by which we represent any method or any question जिससे हमें समझने में easy हो. Say which explain the question easily and clearly. See the Venn diagram, how can we draw this? We will make for this Venn diagram, we will make 2 circles. सही है? What we will do? We will make 2 circles because we have here 2 numbers. So what we will do? We will write down the number of 36 over here and we will write down the factors of 45 in this circle. See, अब ये वाला जो part है, this part, okay? Which part? This part. This part ना, ये जो part है, this part is similar for both number, है ना, दोनों number के लिए. So we will write down here common number which are common in both numbers ना. So for example, here both numbers have similar number is 3. So we write down 3. एक ये वाला 3 हो गया और एक ये वाला 3 हो गया. ठीक है, हमने इसको इसमें लिख दिया जो दोनों पार्ट के लिए सिमिलर है. अच्छा, अब 36 में कौन से नंबर बच गए? 2 and 2. ये वाला 2 और ये वाला 2. We write down in the circle of 36. And now which number remaining in 45? That is 5. This is called Venn diagram. Is that clear? We can represent it with the help of Venn diagram. Is that clear? And now this is called common factors. This is our common factors which are similar in both numbers. Is that clear? If I want to make the Venn diagram of 12 and 18, so how can we make it? We will make it again 2 circles. One is for 12 and one is for 18. Now this is the common part. This is the common part in which what we will do? We will write the common factors in this part. अब देखो common numbers में क्या 2 2s है ना, तो we will write down 1 2 only over here and 1 3. See, loop के जो numbers होते हैं ना, उसको 1 time लिखा जाता है. Is that clear? Now what numbers remaining in the 12? 2 remaining है ना, 2 बच गया है. 2 और 3 तो हमने common में लिख लिया. Now 2 is remaining, so we write down 2 in the circle of 12. And which number in 18 is remaining left? That is 3. So we write down 3. Now we say that 2 and 3 are common factors. Is that clear? I hope so your concept is clear now. So please, if your concept is not clear, watch the video again so that you can do your questions by your own self. Is that clear? I will give you the questions on classwork. सही है, और फिर आप उस क्वेश्चन को अपनी एक्सरसाइज कॉपी में करोगे. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.